How to make a Paracord Bracelet Starlight Express. So stay with us by the end of this video and you will learn. Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound. Today we're gonna use this gold Paracord Type I and this marine blue also Type I. The credit for today's project goes to Brian Eric Caja, so make sure to check the description box down below. Before we start, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, or this one I have here, the full tutorials you can find at the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. So that being said, we're gonna start. First we're gonna take the gold Paracord Type I, find the center, tied up the gold and the marine blue, pinch it from the back so you can secure it, and then we're gonna start with the first knot. So we're gonna tie the first cobra knot, place the marine blue on top of the first two core strands from the right side, like so. And then take the gold, place it on top of the marine blue, then around and under the first two core strands, and then through the loop on the right side. First you're gonna have lots of cordage to work with, but I'm sure you can manage. If you have any trouble following this tutorial with this Paracord Type I, I'm gonna leave in the information cards in the top right corner and in the description box down below the link to the tutorial with the Paracord 550, so maybe you can follow it more easier. So from here we're gonna take the gold paracord and we're gonna pass it on top of the core strands. Then with the marine blue we're gonna place it on top of the gold. Let me just put this aside. And then around and from the back through the loop on the right side. Now once more, place the gold cord on top of the core strands, marine blue on top of the gold, around and from the back through the loop. And from here we're gonna take the marine blue, place it on top of the core strands, and with the gold on top of the marine blue, around and from the back through the loop on the left. So this is the basically first setup of our knots for today. As you can see, we have the one cobra knot with the marine blue, two cobra knots with the gold, and one cobra knot with the marine blue. So now we're gonna take the marine blue and we're gonna place it on top of the core strands on the left side. Then we're gonna take the gold and place it on top of the marine blue, then around under the core strands, and then from the back through the loop on the left. From here we're gonna take our gold, place it on top of the left core strands with the marine blue on top of the gold, around and from the back through the loop on the left. Now again the gold on top of the core strands, marine blue on top of the gold, around from the back through the loop on the right side. And we're gonna finish with the marine blue on top of the core strands, gold on top of the marine blue, under and from the back through the loop on the right. So as you can see, we have on the both sides the equal amount of cobra knots. Now we're gonna cross our cords, the right side under the left side, and from here we're gonna proceed with our pattern. This is very beautiful, thin, elegant paracord bracelet. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Until the next tutorial, wishing you just best, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye!